In today's video, we'll be looking at the if statement and we'll be looking at the if then. All right. So we're going to start. I'm going to type the word program. And the name of our program for today's video is selection underscore code semicolon. Then we're going to declare our variable, which in today's video is x. So x will be assigned an integer, semicolon. I'm going to type the word begin, enter. Then we're going to initialize our variable x. So x will be assigned the value 0. All right. Then we're going to type if x is greater than 0, then begin write ln x is greater than 0. End semicolon. Um, read ln semicolon end full stop. Now, as is, this program will not display anything. All right, so let me run it and show, and then I'll show you how to adjust the code so that you can actually see x is greater than 0. So I'm going to compile the program. I'm going to give it a name, selection code. All right, we have no errors, so we're going to execute. And there we didn't get anything on the console. All right, so let me show you now how you're going to see something on the console, meaning gonna change x to 7. I'm gonna change, well, yes, it will work now, right? So we're gonna compile our program. Then we're gonna execute. And there we have x is greater than 0. Okay? This video we'll be looking at the if statement, and we'll be looking at the if then else. All right, so the first thing we're going to type is the word program. And we're going to call it selection underscore code 2 semicolon. All right, so we're going to declare our variables. So var x, going to declare it as an integer, semicolon. Then we're going to type the word begin. All right. X will be assigned the value 0. All right. And then now we're going to say, oh, this should be small x. All right, so here now I'm going to type the word if x is greater than 1, then begin tab um, x is equal to x plus 1 semicolon. Then we're going to write ln I'm gonna print x on the screen. And else begin going to write ln x is not greater than 1 semicolon end semicolon. Right, so this is if then else. Then when they type the word read ln semicolon, and then we have end full stop. Let's compile the program. Selection code 2. We have one error. Let's look. Oh, we left out the apostrophe there. All right, execute. All right, so x is 0. So x is not greater than 1. Okay. All right, let us change x to 2. I'm going to execute. And here now, x is greater than 1, which is 2. And here now we have x will be equal to x plus 1, which is 3. So this first part of the if then else was executed here, right? So if I change back this to, need to close this, so I change out this to 0 or 1, right? Execute. Gonna get 1 is not greater than 1, so x is not greater than 1, okay?